alright.
Hello, good morning. Room Service Department. This is Ken speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. But before that, may I know who's in the line and your number, please? Or your complete name and your room number, please?
I am Leonila and my room is 122.
Ma'am, we have three types of breakfast: continental, traditional, and American breakfast. Which one would you like to have, ma'am?
Traditional, please.
In traditional breakfast, we offer two types of main course. We have pork adobo with 1 cup of rice and fried chicken with 1 cup of rice. Which one would you like to have, ma'am?
Pork adobo, please.
We offer fresh fruit, ma'am. Would you like to have 2 slices of mango, 2 slices of melon, or 1 piece of banana?
2 slices of mango, please.
We also offer fresh juice, ma'am. We have mango juice and pineapple juice. Which one do you like, ma'am?
Mango juice, please.
For the bread, ma'am, would you like to have a butter or cheese bread?
Cheese bread, please.
How about coffee, ma'am? We have latte, black coffee, and cappuccino.
Latte, please.
Okay, ma'am. What time would you like your foods to be delivered?
At exactly 8 o'clock in the morning.
Alright, ma'am. I will repeat the details of your order. You ordered traditional breakfast and consists of 1 cup of rice with pork adobo, 2 slices of mango juice, cheese bread, and latte. It will be delivered in your room at exactly 8 a.m. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
Yes, that is correct.
By the way, ma'am, in what way would you like to settle your bill? Is it in cash, credit card, or charge to your room?
Charge to my room.
Alright, ma'am. Is there anything else you need, ma'am?
No, none so far. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for calling. And if you have some inquiries, don't hesitate to call Happy Hotel Room Service Department. Have a nice day.
Alright, alright, alright.